Hello everyone, welcome back to the FoldStory. Today I'll show you how to fold a classic paper airplane that flies far and straight. Ready? Let's fold. You only need one rectangular sheet of paper. A4 or US letter works great. Use a slightly thicker paper if you want a stronger plan. Fold the paper in half lengthwise, hot dog fold, and crease sharply, then unfold so you have a center line. Bring the top two corners down to the center crease so the top becomes a triangle that forms the nose. Fold the new top point, the tip of that triangle, down about 2 or 3 centimeters or 1 inch to lock the nose in place. Now fold the top two corners in again toward the center line so you get a sharper pointed nose. Fold the wall plan in half away from you along the original center crease so the nose is closed and the wings are outside. Fold each wing down so its edge line up with the bottom of the fuselage. Make the wing creases sharp. Repeat on the other side. Add a small winglet by folding up the wing tips 0.5 cm to stabilize flight. You can slightly bend the trailing edge upward elevator for more lift. If you like this, hit like and subscribe and tell me which plan variant you want next. This is FoldStory, one fold at a time, one story at a time. Bye.